How to make a website load faster. Number one thing to do if you want a website to load faster is well coding, very well coding. If your coding is not good, if your software developer or agency didn't do well coding, then it will load slow. So let's imagine a scenario where the website loads 50 products in the website, and in the back end there is probably 2000 products in the server or in the database. So when a visitor visits, if a developer codes something like that 2000 products will load and among that 50 will be showing, then the website is going to be slow. So this has to be only 50 come forward, that is required for the user to see only. So this is one thing, that a good coding can make a website very faster, and bad coding can make a website load very slow. Then there is if you have noticed that a lot of the website actually loads when you scroll. If you don't scroll, they won't load anything. This is a good practice kind of. The reason is if I don't need anything, I won't be loading. So you, as a software developer, or you software developer, software agency, don't need to load everything from database at a time. If the user is scrolling down and going forward, then it can load with that. So this is a good practice to have if you want a website to load fast. Then there is a thing called CDN, Content Delivery Network. If that is being used, the website actually loads fast. So CDN is basically a server where you can host your images, JavaScript files, CSS files. So CDN basically is a cluster of servers that is located around the world. So when a visitor visits the website, CDN actually loads images from nearby location. That's why it loads extremely fast. There is a very famous CDN that is CloudFront from AWS, Amazon, that is used highly around the world. So these two things to keep in mind. Then the quality of the assets or the size of the assets. So let's say you are loading an image which is actually 80 pixel by 80 pixel in the dimension or in the website, but the software developer or the programmer actually developed it that way, that backend admin or someone who is giving or uploading this image uploaded an image of 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel. So you can see that 920 pixel by 920 pixel is not needed actually. So if the image has been optimized enough, the site would have been faster. So the asset management is very much important. By asset, it means image, CSS files, JavaScript, videos, any rich media files. So these things to be considered if a website you want it to be faster. So these things should be sorted ahead of the time and before developing the website. So thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Bashar Hossain. I am creating this video for sharing knowledge. If you want to watch more,